Next up is a very, very exciting video. A chain unboxing video. Can't read it. Oh, cool. It's not totally coated with white grease. It does have grease on it, and I'll clean it off. But I've bought these before when they're just completely saturated and caked with like white lithium grease or something. Nice. On the top is the Regina chain that I had on the bike. On the bottom is the new D.I.D chain. The Regina chain, I could not find a quad stake tool for the master link, so I had to take it off and buy a new chain. So that D.I.D chain needs to be trimmed a little bit. This happens to be a Harbor Freight chain breaking tool. Just push that pin out. There we go. 4 links removed from the 110 link chain that I bought. The bike requires 106 links. Got a master link and some O-rings, a plate, and some grease. I don't know if you can read that, but darn it, it says chain grease do not eat. I was hoping to eat some of this. And 4 O-rings or X-rings or whatever they call them now. Little rubber circles. I need 2 on this guy. 1, 2. Two more rubber circles. The time has come to rivet this master link plate onto this master link, but I have no idea how to do this. I haven't got a clue. I have this fancy tool over here. Came in this plastic box and it has these instructions, but the print is so small I can't read it. I guess I'm never going to ride this thing. Oh, wait a minute. Look what I found. I found this YouTube channel and it has these great instructions, a video on how to rivet this master link. Look at this dude's hands. They look just like mine. Look at that. He's showing me exactly how to do this. Screw that thing down. Did you get the idea? right on the money. This dimension on the factory riveted link is the same as my pressed on plate onto the master link here. Now I will rivet the master link.